Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 9. Sir, now take the case of oil seeds. We are importing 1 million tons of oil seeds at a cost of rupees 500 crores per year. What was PL 480? We were importing wheat more or less the same quantity. Why cannot we produce 1 million tons of oil seeds in India? Our masses are not getting pulses. Without pulses, what is the protein they get? Pulses are not sufficient. Our scientists have brought about a revolution, the Green Revolution, so far as wheat is concerned. Our scientists have the greatest skill and they have bring about this revolution so far as the oil seeds and protein are concerned, so that the common people are not deprived of them. Now, sir, the planning process should ensure that we produce mass consumption goods. What was the position last year? There was a shortage in production of about 25% in aluminium, in cement, and in steel. Why can't we ensure that there is no shortage in production? Was there any shortage in the production of air conditioners? No. Was there any shortage in the production of refrigerators? No. Was there any shortage in the production of cigarettes? No. In beer? No. In polyester? No. No shortfall in the production of the luxuries goods which the affluent people could buy in spite of the problems in the power sector, in the coal sector, and in the elitist sector. And the elitist and the affluent industries could prosper in spite of all these things. There was a shortage in aluminium, steel, and cement. Why was there a shortage of about 15% in the production of nitrogenous fertilizers? Why was there a 50% shortage in the production of the petroleum products? All these have to be rectified. Plan is not or should not be a mere statement of intentions, and plan is not just that document saying that so much aluminium should be produced this year, so much of cement should be produced this year, and so on. There must be some machinery and some mechanism to see that these national objectives are fulfilled? Where are those detailed programs? Where are those connections between the Planning Commission and the different industries, different entrepreneurs, peasants, scientists, and others, so that these targets can actually be achieved and there is no shortfall in production as well? Thank you.